How to promote Clickbank products without a website. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can promote a Clickbank product but with no website. Firstly, I'm gonna open any of my web browser. In the web browser, search for the product that you would like to promote. Now I'm choosing this product. Tap and hold on the image. Now at the top of this menu, you will see the link. You can either copy the link or save the image. I'm just gonna click on save image and save the photo. Now you can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to promote the product. Obviously, with affiliate link, the main motive is to earn money through the affiliate links. In this case, even though the product may not have a website, but they will have a specific link that is for affiliation. So make sure that you find the link and paste it in your caption. Otherwise, you can simply go to the product and generate a link through link generator on Google. Once the link is generated, then paste the link right here on your post. Now this is just for an example that I'm doing on this screen. You can use link generator on Google. Then simply create your post on Google or Insta and promote the product. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.